Really? You want to knock me over? What are you doing? Got in a corner. Use your indicator. No! Use your indicator. Get the fuck out of there. You can indicate. Okay, no problem. An idiot. What are you doing? It's not a good way. Really? Yeah, but yeah. Well, get out of the fucking road then. Seriously. What are you doing? What?
Dani!